y'all, it's Simply Brianna B. Welcome back to my channel. This is the third and final video of my fall/winter 2020 cleaning series. So if you haven't seen the other two, go watch those not right now, but when you watch this one, go watch those. So as I said before, there had been a buildup of like all of this clutter and mess due to just me being busy and me not having a place for everything to go. So I just finally took the time and started cleaning out everything at one time. So now I am doing my dining area, and I'm just basically taking everything off the table, reorganizing everything. I had this yellow backdrop behind the table for the longest from when I did my graduation photos. It's just like when you're in an apartment, you don't have any storage. So I just put it there. So I'm taking that down. I'm also, there was stuff on the ground, there was stuff on the chairs. So I'm taking everything off the chairs, and all of that clutter, I'm gonna go through it kind of off camera and throw away the stuff that needs to be thrown away and reorganize it. And then I'm just wiping down the table and then wiping down the chairs. After finishing with all of the papers and getting everything organized, I am taking my not so trusty but dusty vacuum cleaner. Well, one of them. I have the other one, which is the red one that y'all are going to see in a second, because this one was not doing anything. Literally, I don't know what the purpose of me having this vacuum cleaner is. It does absolutely nothing. As you can see, now I have switched to the other one, which is still not as good, but it's better because I can take off the little attachment and just like directly go through and get everything. So yeah, we're working on another vacuum cleaner. And this is the finished result of the dining area. And next we are going to move on to the living room area, which is an absolute mess. As you can see, don't judge. Remember, this is a no judgment zone, okay? I don't judge y'all. Y'all don't judge me. So for this area, I'm starting off by removing everything from this little cluttered corner where I keep all of my filming stuff and a lot of random stuff. So I'm just taking everything out, putting it where it needs to be, or finding a place for it because I really didn't have a place for a lot of stuff. And then, figuring it out. Then I'm doing the same thing with my coffee table. There's so much dust and just random things that got thrown in there, thrown under there. It was a mess, okay? But, when life happens and, you got people coming in and just, you're just doing stuff. I don't know. You're just not. And then I didn't have like a proper cleaning schedule. I'm going to stop trying to explain myself, because we clean now. And that's all that matters. But yes. So also I had a lot of clutter like just piled into this like centerpiece thing. I don't know how that started. I think it started kind of with my ex, but whatever. We're not gonna blame people. We're just gonna clean it. So yeah, I'm taking everything out of there. There was like random ketchup packets and just ran a whole bunch of random stuff that I had to take out. And then I'm going to finish that and then move on to wiping down everything and dusting everything. So the last things I'm doing is just vacuuming the floor and then doing a couple of other little finishing touches. And that's pretty much it. You guys will see the end results. Stay tuned for that. And thank you so much for watching. If you have not seen the other 2 videos in this series, make sure you go check those out as well. And I will see y'all in the next video.